Well, good morning everybody. It is Friday morning, the 1st of April, and I'm in Pup Park in Glasgow, and I'm in my bikini, sunning myself. It must be about 30 degrees. It's absolutely glorious, and I think I've got most of the park to myself this morning, and if you believe that, of course, you've perhaps all been taken in with the 30 degrees. No, I'm wrapped up like Eskimo Nell because I think we're -1 degrees, but it's still glorious, absolutely glorious. And I have two doggies today. I have Darcy and I have Floyd, who's trotting along there as king of the road, king of the park. And it's just stunning, absolutely beautiful. Look at the sky. I hope you're all enjoying Friday morning. There's Darcy telling me, come on, get a move on here. Now I know that Floyd is going to take off because he sees another wee doggy there. They're just enjoying each other's company. It's absolutely glorious today, and it's just lovely to be out again. It's I haven't done Pat's Pup Park walk for a couple of days or so, so it's nice to come to you all and sending you, of course, as always, virtual hugs. It's so peaceful. And buds on the trees now, and we've got some blossom coming on, and of course with the weather being slightly colder, it's just not as muddy, the ground's a wee bit harder. Look at that sky. Now there's somebody flying away to warmer climes, I think. It's the trails of an airplane, I think. Quite a few of them there. Right, where has Floyd taken off to? Right, come on Floyd! Come on! Good boy! That's it, good boy. There. I think we'll go back this way, Floyd. Come on. We'll head into the woods a wee bit. It's lovely. That was somebody phoning me. I forgot to put my phone off, so I'll phone them later. Right, Floyd, come on. Good boy. Good boy. There he is there. Right. So what are we all up to today? I think the schools, certainly in Scotland, I think they're going on holiday soon, so that'll be, hopefully the weather will stay bright for them. But it's still supposed to be quite cold. But when when there's no rain and wind, it's absolutely beautiful. And there I see two magpies. What is it? One's for sorrow, two for joy, so we've got a joyful day ahead there. And there's one flying off and the other following. I was fooled this morning by a post from Max in the Lake District. Now that's the video where he walks his spaniels, and Max is a gorgeous spaniel that's not been so well, but we're all looking out for him. And he put up a post on a spray which would dissolve doggy poo, which I thought was a fabulous idea, and I loved the name. It was Pudini. So I was actually taken in and I thought, what a fabulous idea. So I clicked over to his website, and of course it was April Fool. I couldn't think up of a better April Fool than just trying to fool you all by saying, oh, I'm sunning myself in 30 degrees in the park in Glasgow. It could have been last week. We had very warm weather, and I think we were lulled into a false sense of summer has come to getting colder weather again. But I'm just breathing in all that lovely air. Do you hear the birds? There's a few dogs that way, so I'm going to go down this way, I think. Down onto our wee path there. Come on, Floyd. Good boy. Good boy. This way. He sees other doggies. Come on. Good boy. Floyd, come on. We've seen the other doggies now. And that's it. They're all going to have fun. I know, Darcy, you just stick with me. Darcy, this way. Oh, there's a beagle. Like that used to be, that was like Fudge, the beagle I had. Yeah, they're having a wee play. Come on then. Come on. This way. Oh, it's lovely. Right, no, right here. That's it, Darcy, on you go. Right, Floyd, come on. Come on, Floyd. Come on. Yes. There we are. There you are. I know. It's all been a bit much for Darcy, but Floyd does love playing with all these other doggies. Right, we're on our path now. So, I saw a post this morning, and actually it's quite apt, that the road or the path to success is always under construction. So never give up. Be resilient, be brave, and be committed. And of course, you can do that and you can be resilient if you use my ABC. So, today's A would be, I'm thankful, I'm grateful for everything around me. I'm grateful that I can get out into nature. And nature really does lift the spirits. Or just, I feel good. It just takes a couple of minutes out of your life, day and night, to make this your good habit. And then of course, B for breathing. It's your deep, effective breathing. In through the nose. Hold and exhale through the mouth. Oh, we've now got 3 magpies. And that's 3 for a wish. So I wish that the weather stays really good so that we can get out into nature. And of course, remember, it's the deep breathing, the effective breathing, because that actually increases your lung capacity, makes you feel good, you can feel better. And of course, if you've been feeling not so well, please use an affirmation. I feel good, I feel good. And I've just looked at here the primroses. Look at these primroses. Aren't they gorgeous? And of course the C for creative imagination. Use your creative imagination and just close your eyes and take yourself wherever you want to be. So I'm going to head off on the walk now with, remember my 2 trademark tips. Smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. And virtual hugs to everybody. Bye for now.